Welcome to Feral Equipment. We're showcasing a new Makita 10-inch brushless, cordless sliding compound miter saw, the XSL06PT. As you can see, everything's powered by Makita's 18-volt lithium batteries. This is our 5 amp hour battery. And in this instance, we have a 36-volt tool that actually runs off of 2 batteries. You slide the batteries in the top of the tool, now you've got power to the tool. What's really unique about this piece of equipment is the Bluetooth technology. We have our vacuum over here, which is also a 2-battery X2 piece of equipment from Makita. That is the XCV08Z. It runs off of 2 batteries. What we do is we hit this button on the top and it syncs the vacuum. So when you pull the trigger on the saw, you have wireless, cordless dust management on the job site. We also have a laser feature on the top of the saw that you can turn on and off. So if you want to see your cut line, you very easily have a red laser light that you can adjust to either side of the cut based on the size of the curve for what side you're making your cut. We also have an easy bevel adjustment from the front. So what you do is you crank this over and it allows you to tilt the saw. And if you want to bevel it in the other direction, there's an override here that allows you to move it to the other direction as well. We have a 48-degree bevel left or right, as well as a 60-degree and 60-degree miter range for the front of the saw, which is easily loosened and adjusted on the front with a push of a trigger. We'll make a quick cut for you to see how easily the saw works. And as you can see, clean cut. Most of the dust was captured by the vacuum, which ran as soon as I pulled the trigger, giving us that wireless dust management that we're talking about. Again, fantastic solution for any trim carpenter, rough carpenter. This has the capacity to do 2x12, a 4x4 in a single cut, or even crown molding nested. Makita's XSL06PT is a fantastic 10-inch sliding miter solution, cordless for the job site.